I have written a book. It's a real book. It smells like a book. It's the first time I've ever made anything that smells artistically. If you've never heard of books, imagine a sandwich made out of wood. That's a book. My book is called Montgomery Bonbon, Murder at the Museum. It's a murder mystery whodidit for kids, exquisitely illustrated by Claire Powell and published by Walker Books. 10-year-old Bonnie Montgomery is visiting the Hornville Museum with Grandpa Banks when the lights go out. A scream in the dark. Murder in the turret room. The Widlington Eagle has been stolen. When the lights come back on, Bonnie Montgomery is gone, and the famous detective Montgomery Bonbon is in her place, with several suspicious suspects, and the bristly moustache, and the mysterious foreign accent when no one is quite sure where he's meant to be from. Montgomery Bonbon, Murder at the Museum is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 who enjoy murder and/or mystery. Anyone over the age of 12 should seek the permission of a child before reading. And hey, if just one person watches this video and decides to buy a copy of the book, that won't be enough. That would actually be a disaster from my point of view.